Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ankita and today I'm going to show you how to apply eyeliner in the simplest way possible. Whether you are a beginner or someone who always struggles with getting both eyes even, don't worry, I have got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do a clean eyeliner look just a few minutes. Before applying eyeliner, make sure your eyelids are oil free. You can use a little compact powder or primer. I have done so. This helps your eyeliner stay longer and prevent smudging. Also, always keep a cotton or remover nearby for quick fixes. Now let's begin. Take your eyeliner, pencil, gel or liquid, whichever you are comfortable with. Start drawing small lines, strokes along the lash line. This makes it much easier than trying to draw one straight line at once. Then slow and connect those lines together. See, already looks smoother. If you want a simple everyday look, you can just stop here. But if you'd like a little wing, then here a quick trick. You can draw a lash line towards the end of your eyebrows. Just draw a small line and then connect it back to your eyelid with a tiny triangle like I have done it. Fill it gently. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Remember, wings are sister, not twins. To make a mistake, don't panic. We all are beginner and we are just trying our best. Dip a cotton bud or makeup remover and gently clean the edges. You will see even a sharpen your wing this way or it will look crisp and sharp. Once your eyeliner is done, curl your lashes and apply some mascara, which I will do some later. As you can see, I am trying my eyeliner lines to be fine and sharp so that you will be able to see it clearly. Yes, like I have done it on my both eyes. And now it's a clean look, simple eyeliner hack which you can also do from your end if you are a beginner or if you are an experienced one. You both can try it, and this is super easy, super duper easy. So yeah, so in this video, in this eyeliner, I have used Lakme Iconic eyeliner. You can also use it, super affordable and long lasting, as you can see it, and it will stay around for 24 hours. Now apply a bronze highlighter or shiny glitter eyeshadow to your eyes to give it a perfect look, and it will go with your every look, whether you are going for western outfit or Indian outfit. It will go for both. Yes, as you can see, my eyes are lightening in this daytime. Yeah, so I'm applying this on both the eyes so that it gives you a perfect look. Shiny glitter shimmer on both the eyes. The shade is bronze. You can also use that. I'm just trying my fingertips to apply it so that it can go with everything, so that it can be super easy to use. Yes, as you can see, I have drawn it to the edges also. I have applied it to my edges also of the eyes. Yes, and I would recommend you to also apply it with your fingertips so that you will be able to see where it should be lighter or darker. Now it's time to apply mascara. Apply a little bit mascara on both the eyes. In this video, I'm using Maybelline mascara. It's also super easy, affordable prices. You can get it. So I have used only 2 products in this video so that you can also use it from your end. And I am applying on the lower lashes also so that it can go perfectly with all the things. Yeah, and I am already done with my mascara on both the lashes, and now you can see the eyes are looking good, and it's a perfect wing liner which you can use in every function or a college or if you are going to offices, wherever you are, you can use that both. Yes, so this is my final look in the daytime without any filter. I have tried to show you so that you can match it up and so that you can also try it. And yes, only by using 2 products. The shimmer eyeshadow is option. If you want, you can use, or you can use it without it. So I have tried my best to show you how I draw my eyeliner using this 2 products so that you can also it. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.